Good job, grade 5! To deepen our understanding about the experiment we just did, let us have a discussion on how or why does this happen. So our topic is phases of the moon. The moon is a big rocky ball and it revolves around the earth. Do you know that the moon doesn't make its own light? Yes, it doesn't make its own light, but night. It shines because it reflects the light from the sun. Do you know that the moon travels around the earth for about 27 days? Yes, 27 days. And as it revolves around the earth, the light changes, or the amount of light we see changes and is called phases of the moon. The moon has 8 phases. These are new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, last quarter, and waning crescent. Again, why does the moon appear to change its shape when viewed from the earth? Anyone? Okay, yes, Krista? Very good! Because the moon moves around the earth and the amount of sunlight we see changes. Next, how does the moon get its light if it does not prove its own light? Okay, Jen. Very good! The moon reflects its light from the sun. Last, what do we call the different shapes of the moon that we see from the earth? Okay, Blase? Very good! They are called the phases of the moon. Let's give them 3 claps. 1, 2, 3.
The first phase of the moon is new moon. So what is new moon? New moon occurs when the moon is between the earth and the sun, making it invisible from the earth. Take a look at this picture, class. What have you noticed? Very good. It is totally dark or has 0 illuminations. So, new moon happens when the moon is between the earth and the sun. We cannot see the moon at all. So, it means the moon is invisible from the earth. It is because the side of the moon that is facing from the earth is not getting sunlight. That is new moon. So now, let's proceed to waxing crescent. So take a look at this picture, class. What have you noticed? Very good! Some part of the moon is visible or slightly visible. So, waxing crescent, class, this happens after 2 to 3 days. The third phase of the moon, class, is first quarter. In this phase, class, about after a week of the new moon, we can see half of the moon appears to be bright and the other half of the moon appears to be dark. As you can see in this picture, class, there is a dark shadow on the left side of the moon and a bright part on the right side of the moon. This one, class. So, when we say first quarter, in this phase, we can see half of the moon illuminated side about a week after the new moon. So now, I have a questions. First, when does the moon occur? Okay, Sarah? Very good. When the moon is between the earth and the sun. Next, what can we see during the waxing crescent? Okay, Carla? Very good. A small curved edge of the moon's light. The third one, how much of the moon is visible during the first quarter? Okay, Juna? Very good. Half of the moon's illuminated side is visible. So now, let's give them a Jollibee clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Jollibee.
Now, let's proceed to waxing gibbous moon. So, waxing gibbous moon is more than a half of the moon is visible. So, remember, it is visible in the right side. Now, it's slowly becoming full moon. So, full moon happens when the earth is in between of sun and moon. So, from full moon, let's proceed to waning gibbous. So waning gibbous is start to fade, or the light of the moon is starting to shrink. So that is waning gibbous. Now, let's proceed to last or third quarter. So last or third quarter is half of the moon is visible. But remember, now is the left side is visible. Now, let's proceed to the last phase of the moon, so which is waning crescent. So waning crescent is, it has only small part or portion of the sun is visible. But this time, it also left side. And the cycle repeats.
Activity time! For this activity, you will be observing the moon for 1 week. Each night, you will take a clear photo of the moon using your phone or camera and label each picture with date, time, and the phases of the moon. After completing your 1 week observation, compile all your photos in a single PDF file and upload it to the submission link provided. Use the file name format last name _ moon observation when submitting your work.